How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you need to tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, you need to tap on your settings at the bottom, as you can see. Once you tap on settings, the next thing you need to do is to tap on security. So guys, after tapping on security, another page will open, and here, as you can see, two-factor authentication. You need to tap on two-factor authentication. So guys, once you tap on the two-factor authentication, you will be directed to a new page, and here they say that add extra security to your account, and you need to tap on get started. So I will tap on get started, and here, as you can see, choose your security method, that how you want to authenticate. The first thing is that you should have an authentication application. They recommended that one. The next thing is that text message. We will send a code to the number you choose. So guys, for the second option, you need to have a registered number on your Instagram account. If you don't have a number, then you need to go back and first register a number, and then you can use the second option, which is a text message. But they say that authentication app, so I will choose that one. And here, what is the authentication app? They would recommend an app for you which you can download and then follow the instructions. So here they say that download an authentication app from your app store. So guys, they already recommended an application here, as you can see, or Google Authenticator. So you need to just tap on install the application. So you need to tap on open. So once you tap on open, and here, as you can see, this is the application which they want you to download and install it. So I will tap on install. So guys, the most important thing is, if you want to download that application, they mention that complete the installation and don't open the application. You don't need to press on the open here. You need to just go back to Instagram, and here you need to just tap on next. And once you tap on next, here, as you can see, this is the code. So guys, this is the code you need to enter within 21 seconds, now 19 seconds, into your Instagram application. So the code is 51650. So guys, as you can see, I just enter the code here, and two-factor authentication is on. We will ask you for a code in addition to your password when you log in on a device we don't recognize. So guys, you need to just tap on done, and the two-factor authentication has been enabled on your account. And here, as you can see, recovery code. If you lose your phone or can't receive a code through text messages or an authentication application, you can use this code to get back into your account. Save them in a safe place. So from here, you can just take a screenshot, they say, and save your codes, and from these codes you can get back your Instagram account. So this is how you can do that. So guys, now we will try the second method of the two-factor authentication on Instagram. Here is the text message. You need to enable this one. Once you enable this one, you need to enter the 6-digit code here, which they send on your phone number, which is registered on your Instagram account. So I will go to the messages and find the 6-digit code that they have sent me. As you can see, they sent me this code. And I enter the code here, and then you need to tap on next. So guys, once you tap on next, the confirmation is that the phone number is confirmed. We will text a code to this number whenever you try to log in on a device we don't recognize. So guys, every time you logged into your account from another device, a code will be sent to your phone number to authenticate that is you, and only you can access to your account. So guys, this is all it takes to enable the two-factor authentication on Instagram account. I hope you liked the video. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. You crossed it.